to another video. My name is Xavier, and in today's video, I will be becoming a lightning man in blox. Okay guys, but first, before becoming a lightning man, I don't look like I belong to be a lightning man, but you know who else has lightning powers? It's your boy, Miles Morales. But first of all,
you can steal.
I have lightning powers.
Blue hair.
But I have dragon fruit, shark anchor, skull guitar, and sanguine arts. That is not lightning at all. So first up, second up actually, we are going to get lightning. We are going to eat lightning, and we are going to fully awaken it and master it. So, let's munch on this beautiful light. And in the end, we are going to PvP. We are going to PvP with the build that I have. Let's go. Even though lightning got me. But, I have angel wings. So, let's go to, what is it called? Let's go to hot and cold and switch out the cyborg. I'll see you guys when I have cyborg race. Okay guys, we finally made it to the cyborg cave. So let's just go here, go down right here, and let's finally get cyborg. Do I have enough? I think so. Let's change race. Let's go. Okay, so now we have lightning and cyborg V3. And I'm probably going to do this in 2 parts since I'm busy and, you know, I cannot just do this in one sitting like other YouTubers. So, yeah. But first, before we get E-Claw, I have Shark Anchor, bro. Like, what the heck is this? This is Shark Sword. This is for another video, man. This cannot be used right now. We gotta switch to pole V2.
Hey Dad.
And we're gonna get it fully mastered because I don't have the second move yet. Well, now we have pole V2. So now we can go to the third sea. So let's get ready and go to the third sea. See you guys there.